Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have to use the 50mm lens and put my camera all the way back to the other side of the room to recording these videos. I cannot use the 16 to 35 lens to recording the video today because I need this guy in this video. I'm gonna use this guy with the new toy I just bought from Amazon, the Viltrox speed booster EF-EOS M2. Let's get started. As of you know, I have the EOS M50 camera about 6 months ago, and I really like this camera. The only one thing that is still bother me is this camera is crop sensor. So most of the time I gonna use this camera with the mount adapter EF to EOS M, which is from Canon, and put it on the camera like this. And then I use all of my EF lenses on this camera just like this. There is one problem, is because it's a crop sensor, so doesn't matter when I put the full frame lenses on this camera, it's still cropped in the camera. There are a lot of companies that making the speed booster for EOS M cameras, but lately the speed booster from this company getting very popular. I saw a lot of videos on YouTube, and I decided to get one for me. It's gonna come with the front cap and the rear cap. Inside here, you're gonna see all of the pins that gonna connect to the lens. Up here, you're gonna see the USB port. You can use it for firmware upgrade. From the back, you're gonna see all of the other pin right here to connect to the camera. So in the center, you're gonna see it have the optical glasses. It comes with 4 groups and 4 glasses. Let's take a look between the mount adapter EF to EOS M from Canon and the mount adapter EF to EOS M2 from Viltrox. Basically, I can feel it look about the same, but the adapter from Viltrox is heavier because of the glasses inside, and they both have the some kind of the mount for the tripod underneath. I think I like the tripod mount on the Canon adapter better than on the Viltrox adapter. So what benefits that you have when you use this speed booster on your camera? Well, according to the company, when you snap this guy on your EOS M cameras, you're gonna turn your camera from 1.6 times crop into around 0.7 times crop, which is very close to a full frame cameras. And not just that, when you snap an EF lens on this combo like this, you're gonna get 1 stop extra on your lens. What does that mean? Like, let's say this lens is 2.8, so when you snap it on this combo, you're gonna be able to shoot at f2. Wow, very cool, right? So let's do some video to compare between using the native mount adapter and the Viltrox mount adapter. I am very excited to use this speed booster on my M50 because I'm gonna be able to do a lot more things than before. But there is a problem with this speed booster. I think the company, they cannot fix it as of right now when I'm doing this video. So you remember that I said I need to use this 16 to 35 lens in this combo instead of like the 50mm lens which I'm recording right now, because this speedbooster cannot work with the lenses have the big aperture like 1.2. The lens that I'm using to recording this video right now is the 50mm 1.2 L lens, and also this lens on in my hand, the 85 1.2 Mark II. So when you put the 1.2 lens on this speedbooster, you cannot have the autofocus. The autofocus gonna go back and forth, and you cannot use it unless that you want to do it in manual. A couple days ago, I sent an email to the company Viltrox, and asked them, yeah, I just bought the EF-EOS M2 adapter. It's worked very well on my M50 with the EF 16 to 35L, but when I changed it to the EF 50 f1.2L and the EF 85 1.2, the autofocus doesn't work anymore, keep running back and forth, and only work on manual focus. So the company sent me an email to answer. Dear customer, would you please use a lens that the aperture is larger than 1.4 to have a try? Thanks. Well, I think they mean the smaller aperture, not the bigger aperture, because 1.2 is bigger aperture than 1.4. So I think this is the problem of this speedbooster. It doesn't work with the wider aperture lenses like the 85 1.2 or the 50 1.2. Okay, so this is a confession. A correction. Actually, I just talked about how the speedbooster doesn't work with the 50mm lens at 1.2 and the 85 1.2 either. But well, right now I am recording on the M50 with the speedbooster and the 85 f1.2, and I am recording at 1.0. Wow, see, you see how much like shallow depth of field when it focus on my face, and then my background is completely like really blurry right now. For the photo shoot, the autofocus still doesn't work at all. It keeps back and forth, but I just found out that it works for the videos. So when you're doing the video, and I set it in the autofocus and face detection, and it detects my face very well, and it's working very well. And now this is the footage that I tried the 50mm 1.2, and I am shooting at f1.0. That's it for today, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.